Whew. Good morning, everyone. Well, the prop has been changed. The engine has been repositioned, and we're going to try this again. Not a very good morning to be on the river. Rather windy, cloudy. It has been raining. It rained all day yesterday, and we have more rain in the forecast for later, beginning tonight. Hopefully we won't run into any of that rain in the 40 some odd miles that we need to travel on the river today. Faster than before. Yeah. So that means we'll be doing 4 or 5 coming back. Well, yeah. Well, so much for a trip to the post office. We had to turn around and come back. And this happens more often than not sometimes, but we got hit with 25-30 mile an hour wind gusts, rain, and we did make it back over hell. But right now I've got to go down and deal with an issue with Michelle's boat and the Yamaha engine. It developed a short somewhere in the wiring and drained the battery completely. So I need to put a shutoff on that battery. Now this is what I'm talking about when I say shut off. This is I got this off of Amazon, which is a negative kill switch. Around all over the place. Walked off and forgot the bolt that goes in there. So I will have to bring that down later, but right now the battery's disconnected and I will have to find the short later. Well, in spite of the wind and rain, this has given me an opportunity to complete the what Michelle calls the TP shed. We erected this last year, the year before, I can't even remember now. Basically to store paper products in. Now this is the 7x7 Rubbermaid, which you would wonder about putting something like this up out here in the middle of the wilderness. But this building really took a beating and stayed there. What happened was here in the interior we have construction problems beyond what you can imagine. So we have to build on top of the ground because if you dig down to the permafrost, unfortunately, the permafrost will then melt and you'll have an even worse problem. So just blocking things up as I've done here usually does the trick, and you have to adjust as time goes along, but it will stay there. So now she has her TP shed back, and I'm not exactly sure what she's going to store in it. I think canning supplies, but we'll see.